30 years in IT, but my passion is motorcycles. That passion has sent me on a journey to try and experience every motorcycle possible, to not only learn about the bikes, but also myself. Share the journey, and let's enjoy the ride together.
Ladies and gentlemen, old guy back again. Randy's cycle today with the 2022 CFMoto 300NK. Little naked bike here, 292cc single cylinder engine, claiming 29 brake horsepower and 19 foot-pounds of torque. So we're not exactly talking about a massive power output. However, things to note: LED, all LED indicator, LED headlight, non-adjustable brake and clutch, non-adjustable front suspension, preload suspension adjustability in the rear. You know, I have this soft spot for bikes in this category. This is nice though, because it does have a nice TFT display. Throwing a leg on the 300. I am 5'9", 220 pounds, and I am flat-footed, which is great. Be a great bike for a beginner, just based off of current setting. This does have modes: Eco mode, Sport, Eco, Sport. Okay, that's it. This is a used bike. It has 1,035 miles. You know, kind of to be expected considering the fact that it's a more beginner-oriented motorcycle. But as an experience rider, let's go out and see what it's like to ride on the road. Very light. This is claiming 333 pounds. And to be honest, very easy shift. To be honest, yeah, from a beginner bike perspective, it's pretty good. Very light, very easy. Clutch is very, very, very light. I mean, seriously, it's very light. I mean, no, this is not a fast motorcycle, but I've ridden a lot of small, low displacement bikes that were not fast, and I actually loved them quite a bit. It's a 6-speed. Got a odometer, voltage, speedometer, and temperature sensor, fuel gauge. The display is actually really nice. This bike is super easy to ride. Now this bike is 333 pounds, incredibly light, and to be perfectly honest, it's actually pretty comfortable. I mean, it's $4,100 brand new. Then this is the 2022. The new one is $4,100 brand new. It's like, well, God, if I'm going to teach my kids, I wish this bike had been around, because I wouldn't have had to go buy an old beat up piece of junk. I could have bought a naked bike like this and been fine. Because it's not fast enough to really get you in trouble. Let's test to see how fast it is. That's full throttle in 6th gear. '81, '82, '82, '83. I mean, '83, it might add a little bit more, but fine. I mean, for a beginner, 83 miles an hour is fast. For a rider that rides all the time, 82 miles an hour, 83 is nothing. But you have the experience of the wind and all that good jazz. But, I mean, let's be, like I said, let's be perfectly honest. 82 miles an hour is quick. Get it out of your head about your Gixxer and your Ninja 1000s and all that other good jazz. Yes, those are super fast. I get it. But understand, there are different rider positions. There are different riders' abilities. Get over your tiny little pecker and freaking get on a bike that's actually pretty good before you realize you can't really ride. Is this bike vibrational? Yeah, it's a single. You should expect it to be vibrational. Is it terrible? No, I've felt a lot worse. The Ninja 650 vibrates more than this, and that's a parallel twin. Is this insanely fast? No. No, it is not. Is it fun? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. That's full throttle. It's a good bike. This bike has ABS, and is it, like I said, it's not fast. I mean, that was full throttle to 60, felt like it took an eternity, but I don't really care because I don't expect this bike to be super fast. This bike, honestly, is a great beginner bike. It really is. This might be one of the best beginner bikes I've ever ridden. No doubt about it. It's a single, easy to work on, easy to maintain. It'll do highway speeds. You want to get back and forth to work, throw a tail bag. This bike is great. Absolutely great. I like it. Inside from right there. Oh man. Perfection. There you are. 2022 CFMoto 300 NK. And as I mentioned, ABS, all the wonderful things you could ask for, LEDs. It's a great beginner bike. It really is. It's a great beginner bike. It's a single. It's a single. Special thanks to Randy's Cycle. If you're ever in Marengo, Illinois, and you're looking for a bike, they have a good selection of used bikes, solid selection of new bikes from Royal Enfield, CFMoto, Zero, and they really do care about riders. And the two dealerships I have solid partnerships right now with, I have that partnership because they care about riders. Because they care about riders. They want people to ride the bikes. They want people to experience the bikes, and I greatly appreciate that. As a rider, as somebody who is completely, to be honest, completely disgusted by dealerships that won't even let people get on the bikes, that won't let people experience the bikes because of insurance and liability and all the other BS they want to throw out there. No. They carry insurance. They want people to test the bikes because a bike will sell itself. You ride a bike, it'll sell itself. And the CFMoto 300NK, it's a really good bike. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Helps us out tremendously. It really does. Everybody stay safe. And as always, enjoy the ride.